Mason, this is Stuart with the Junior Claus Workshop. Do you have a moment?
Sure thing. What's up?
We're talking about leather boots and wanted to know if you could answer a few questions about storing and caring for them.
Absolutely. Fire away.
If we've got leather boots, is there a specific place or a manner in which we should store them to help them last longer?
Basically, just keeping your boots in a closet during the off-season will be good. Just someplace cool and very low on humidity, and especially away from heat. That'll definitely help the boots last longer.
And during the season, if we're wearing them daily or out in the snow even, is there anything we should be aware of or anything specific we should do to better care for them?
Especially if you're wearing them out in the snow, I would recommend a product called Snowproof. It's available at your local Tandy Leather, and it's basically just a wax you put on the boots, and it really helps seal it against wet and snow. And if you need to dry your boots, I would recommend keeping it in a warmer spot.